plywood, PVC, metal, gloss, also possible by like paper we can use. Okay, this is our production line, whole production line. Okay, if you want to know more information about our production line, you follow us our company website. Okay, then we are going to the another production line. Okay, this one, you see the brand. This is one. Okay, you need to know we have a two own brand. One is Purete, this one is Purete, and the one is Haut. This one is location is Hubei province. This one Purete in 60,000 square meter, and that and the one like is Haut. Haut is 21,000 square meter. Okay, now I'm going to show you our Haut machine production line. Yes. Okay, this is loading. Okay, loading. This one is dust cleaning. Then after the dust cleaning with the 3-blower fan, we need to clean surface on the board by year. So we can use the 3-blower fan. Then this one is a preheating machine. Inside the light, preheat light. Okay, why you need to the preheating machine? When is the temperature is low, we need to the preheating machine. It's like a temperature is normal. Also we can stop the preheating machine. Okay, after the preheating machine, here is a polling system. Is a polling system. Here is a 2 switch. The polling system. Okay. Then this is a gluing machine. Inside the gluing machine, here is a 3 roller, doctor roller, application, and ceramic roller. Also, we can call this like a smooth leveling roller. Last one, ceramic roller. Okay. Here is a 3 roller. Like this one, changing. This crane for changing the roller. It's a middle one application roller. This one is a rubber. This one is a rubber, right? So you need to change roller like after 3 or 4 months later, or 1 or 2 months later. Depends on the your production. Every your production. So you need to the roller by the crane. Only one person. Only you need to need a time only like 30 to 35 minutes is okay for you. But without this crane, you need to change the roller, you need to 4 person, almost you need to 2 hours time. So you need to save the time, save the cost, save the labor. Okay? Okay. Okay. After the gluing machine, this is a sheet fed station. Sheet fed station for sheet material. If you don't use the like sheet material, if this sheet material, but if you want to use sheet material also film material, you need to use the sheet material. Okay. Also inside the light, sheet material inside the light. You see the light. Okay. Okay. After the sheet material, here, like this one for sheet material, right? So now we are going to like example, we are going to the laminate the sheet material. So after the gluing, the board comes here, the end stop here. Then 2 person, one and here 1 person, like my front part 1 person, 2 person. We need to manually laying the paper on the board, then press here. Then board goes to the laminating machine. Also we can use here as an automatic system. It's both. Depends on the customer requirements, like manually and automatically. Okay, we can. Okay, after the laminating. Okay, here is this one is ear shaft. Yeah, ear shaft for roll material roll, right? Film material roll. Also we can add. Here is another ear shaft. You can. For what? For because you can add here is another ear shaft for like protective film at the same time possible. Or the and it depends on the customer. Here's a single, right? Okay. 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 Then unloading. This is our product. Yeah, it's a finished product.
You can introduce what
Yeah, yeah.
product.
This was MDF,
MDF,
laminated by PVC.
Yes.
Okay. It's like a mostly small factories, like a small company. They can use this production line. Is a small, very small. So it's like a manually loading, then dust cleaning, then gluing, then sheet material, then laminating, then manually unloading. It's possible. This one is our T1 laminating production line. Okay, you need to know our production line is speed. Like our production line is speed 3 to 25 meter per minute. Our laminating production line is speed. Okay, this is our laminating production line. This one is how? So this one is a very good like a structure. Okay, you see the structure. Please come. The structure. Good. 18 millimeter thickness. Also he has electrical components. If you want to change the electrical if you want to like change the electrical components, okay, it's possible. We can customize, like if you want to Siemens motor, it's possible. Okay. 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 We can use the substrate like MDF, particle board, plywood, like wood, plastic, also glass is possible. Okay, like film, PVC, CPL, PETZ, PP, paper, aluminum foil. We can laminate by our machine. Okay, okay, that's all. Okay. Now my colleague and the colleague, he will showing our and the production line. Please. Please.
Okay, now we can start from the beginning point. Please come. So now I will show you about the roller coating production line. So firstly, one thing need to be remembered or mentioned. This is our workshop number 6, and here is all type of machines because of the testing before shipping the machine. So firstly, here is the belt conveyor. Its length is the 3 meter, and also we can use the belt near about the 2 millimeter and 3 millimeter, and this one is the millimeter. And you know about the structure like that 18 millimeter thickness, so it's too much hard. And then here we are using the sanding machine. Sanding machine, actually we are using that some board are little bit up like that corner or middle side, so we prepare the board thickness in equal, and also we can get the smoothness from that machines. That's why we are using sanding machines. After that, we are using the double sided dust cleaner machine, because after sanding it attached some dust, or when we remove some top equal thickness need to be removed that. So of course we have to clean it. That's why we are using that also polishing in here, and this is the dust cleaner. We can clean the board by this machine. And here is the putty or filling, and inside have 3 rollers. First of all, steel roller and EPDM, and now is the steel roller. And so we can say that the leveling roller. So this putty machine we can use the different type of way. So when you need to use the single roller, so that time we can stop that one roller, this corner of roller, and then we can use as a single roller. After that, in here is the single roller. So when we will stop that roller, we can use that double roller machines. Then here we are using the 3 lamp UV curing. So first one we are using the gallium lamp, and second two is the mercury. And gallium lamp wavelength is the 370 to 430, and mercury lamp wavelength 270 to 320. Okay. And then we are using 3-meter belt conveyor. Before few minutes ago I already introduced about the belt conveyor. So now we are talking about the double roller in here, and this is the hand wheel, and also that one is the HMI. We control this double roller machine by this HMI, and this is the return tank. And then here we are using the brushing machine. We can use designing the color also by this machine. So we can say the easily the coloring machine. Then we are using 2 lamp UV curing. After that, again we have to use the belt conveyor meter, and then we are using here double roller. Here is the one thing mentioned. Here is we are using the forward and reverse. Sometimes when we it will be necessary to more paint, so that time we have to use the forward and reverse roller. And then again we are using the 3 lamp UV curing. Before few minutes ago I already mentioned the one lamp is the gallium and another one is the mercury lamp. After put the paint or on must be need to be the cure. So we are using the 3 lamp UV curing. Then here a center conveyor. We can get the centering position by this roller, and then again we use the sanding machine. We can get the proper thickness on of the board by this machine, and then again we are using the double-sided dust cleaner, because after sanding this board must need to be clean. That's why we are using the double-sided dust cleaner. And then again we are using the forward and reverse roller, yes, for the top coat. Then we are using also a center conveyor, and then here is the one machine. We can say that the inner coating or embossing machine. Here is the some functions. If you want to get the soft touch, wood grain, stone grain, high gloss, like that type of part, so we can get easily from this machine, because we are using in here like that type of film. When we are in the wood grain type of film, we can get easily the wood grain. And when we are using when we need to get the stone grain type of surface, that time we have to use the stone grain film, and that we can easily get the stone grain surface of the board. Then we can say that the behind that is the magnetic powder brake, and also we are using that type of the
I think this material is
protective film, right? Recycle sheet. Disposable film.
Yeah.
Yes, we can use for the disposable film also. And then here we are using that the belt conveyor in 3 meter, and this is the 2 most important machine. This is the nitrogen excimer, and also 2 most expensive, but here is a different type of function. So some type of board or product when stay in all time in sunshine, so after a few months or 1 year it will be scratched and the color will be changed. But when we are using that type of machine with the board, so it will be more longer, near about 10 years, and then it provide us the yellowing performance also. We are using that type of machines. And then again belt conveyor 3 meter to transfer the board in offside, and then we are using the 3 lamp UV curing, and finally we can get the proper board for in here. Okay.
Okay, good. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
Very
cool.
very nice. Okay, बोलो ना अपने अपने आंसर को लिख के दिखाओ.
Yeah, I can. It's okay. It's okay. The same.
Okay, now I am giving my another colleagues
Yeah.
for introduce something like
Okay.
that. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
thank you.
Move. We move to spraying machine.
Heavy, heavy, heavy.
Okay. Let's move. Let's move for our.
Expensive call like food machine kit कराओ.
ये तुम्हारा कैसे चले?
Nice. Okay. 15 रुपए लो प्लेस.
আমি এটা সম্পর্কে কিছুই জানি না আর কি বলবো বলেন
আমি একটু ভালোভাবে এক্সপ্লেইন করছি এটা জানি তো.
আমি মোটামুটি মোর দেন 85% বলতে পারবো দুদিন আগে পরীক্ষা দিচ্ছেন যেটা মুখস্থ ওইটা বলা আমার জন্য ইজি বোর্ড বলেন কি বলেন সব বলতে পারবো
Okay. Spraying control is. Then I introduce some another machine. My big production line is used for the liquid base leveling.
ও আমি বোর্ড উল্লেখ করতে চাইছি ভুলে গেছি
Okay, let's go. This one is our automatic lamination machine. We can see the conveyor and we can do a little bit different between just now introduced to the guys. You can see we got the this big side is for the string panel. Yeah, really thin panel. For example, if your product is like the 3 millimeters, I think that this customization except for the conveyor. Yeah, this means conveyor. And then we got the dust clean machine.
Yeah. Also the
Yeah, dust machine. And this one is our preheating machine. After the preheating machine, we also got this structure for the stick lids. The function is to capture the scenic dust in the board surface. Then we go through our the pouring machine. It's a 3-roller pouring machine, including the ductile roller application, and the last one is ceramic roller. This one. The top here is the quick change structure. This function is really important. The traditional change roller way needs 4 people and at least 1 hour, but this quick change structure only half hour and 1 or 2 person is enough. This is a really improved efficiency for the when we working process. And we also have the divorce device. Yeah, divorce device.
Dovetail device. Is it
dovetail
dovetail device?
Dovetail device.
Yes, yes.
Designs and hygienic. Sure.
Yeah.
yes
Okay, let's go. The really special part is here.
Yeah.
This is the ship feeding station, but this one is full automatic.
Yeah.
Fully automatic with the sponge material. And for example, the ship right here, you can just loading machine, just suck the soil and we will be sending to our the lamination machine. Okay, but the machine is not working. But if you're interested, maybe later we also can be send you some video. Yes. If you're interested, you also can contact contact us because we all the information on the main page. We got the WhatsApp here, email here. If you guys interested, you can contact me anytime. And okay, move on with our short cycle trimming machine. Short cycle trimming, and then with the long cycle trimming machine.
Yeah.
But this one is a synchronized machine, cutting machine. Okay. one is also really special.
Yeah.
This one, the main function is make the board and the sheet is higher thickness and improve the thickness. It's the bell continuous press.
Yeah.
Bell continuous press. I think this one is for customization. It depends for your what kind of the substrate you want to do it. Yes. Okay, let's go. And last part. Here is the protection field. Protection field equipment. Yeah, when we finish the products, when we finish product, we will use this machine to surveys to protect the final product. Okay, let's go. Right now, we will to introduce the CNC intelligent spraying machine from here. This one is the CNC automatic spraying machine. The main function for this machine is firstly, it supplies for different kind of the paints like UV and water-based, even though PU. Not UV, just PU and water-based, sorry. Yes, PU and water-based. And really suitable for the client who have a small order and customization and more flexible. Yes. For example, like this one, you can see we can spray in the whole door. Yeah, whole door. And even though like this one small notes, can see like the small spraying, and also even though the inside space we can finish by this machine. The really important part, we have the camera design here can be screen.
3D.
The 3D screen, the panels, we can see the different shape for our panel and will be automatic to work. Yeah, this one. Our CNC intelligent spraying machine process technique is at 10 to 11 millimeters, and the space of the gum movement 1,600 millimeters per second. Yes. Okay. You can see this is the 3D vision scheme here, automatic planning for spraying path, seamless spraying of irregular workpiece with the integrated edge and the surface. Where is the benefits for this machine? Okay. Yeah, this is the control center here. Yeah, this is our control center. Automatic control center here. So I think this machine only need one labor is enough for the whole process. Yes. Okay, let's move. We have another type. It's the rubber spraying machine. Actually, this two is actually similar, but you know, rubber is look more fashion, look more. It can improve the immersion in the whole workshop, right? So many people like to prefer to choose the rubber if you have enough budget. And also the same, we have the free immersion scheme here. These two is similar, actually. Okay. Yeah, the rubber spraying machine. For doors and these small pieces, is actually the rubber are more fixable. Okay, go. Okay, this one is our new machine. Yes, we special one. This one is a rubber technique spraying. Is the many benefits for this machine. It's really easy for the worker who not really understand for the system, because this one just use the scum here, and you can allow the worker here to spray one chance. The machine will be the same route, right? Any for this one? I'm not really familiar for this.
No, normally this one you teach it with the game, the
Yeah.
motion, right? So you teach it once, like all the how it going to spray. Then after you teach it, the robot it will continue according to the way you teach it again.
Yes.
It will go, it will spray, it will continue. After that, we don't need to change. It can directly, it can spray by itself.
I think this one is suitable for the guys don't want to send more programs, right?
Yeah, it's possible. You teach it one time. After that, it can spray totally continuously. So you don't need to change.
Yes.
Normally, it is
Really
once that you need to set it.
stable when we finish one chance.
Yeah.
The robot arm will be follow your path.
Yeah,
instructions.
and the other thing, it can spray for the cherries for a lot of structures, for which is a small ones, for different structures, for cherries, everything that you want, it can spray directly. You don't need to parade the chair or something like that. The full structure, the chair, you can put it. As you can see, this one, the chair here, you can put it like that, then it can spray.
Yes. Okay, go. Yes, good.
All this.
I think just now it's already recommended before. And the spraying production line is the same with the experience central. Yes. Maybe we can move another workshop, I think. Okay?
That one.
你想说什么？
需要吗？那个。
because our the fully roll is finished, or so we need to finish. Okay. I think we next part is the number 5 workshop, right? Number 5 workshop. Then we go downstairs to the symbol room. We can finish. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And another, one the function for storage, and another we will put our all finished production line here to test it. Yes.
Why are you recording me? Go away.
Yes, this is our storage park for a lot of the standard machine will be stay here. Yes. And also behind, okay, let's go downstairs. Move. Okay, last part is the symbol room, okay? Maybe show you guys, we got the different effects. The product, when we after all the machines, how we the finished product will be get. Okay, let's move upstairs. Let's move upstairs, and this is the symbol room. Yeah, symbol room, we can see the right hand here. We got a lot of different pattern, the shape. All of this can use in lamination. Yeah, can move. The wood Venus stuff, high growth. Can see high growth. Even those like the marble pattern, this is a paper. This is a paper. This is a PT. Yeah, PT. High growth effect. I think this one is PVC, right? Or PV, yes. Then we got a lot of the style, wood style, high growth, marble style. Yes. Actually, our laminating production lines can laminate PVC, PET, paper, fabric, leather, a lot of the material. Even though like the athletes, Okay, let's move to this side. This side is our data system. Yeah, data system, and this one we record whole our countries, our production line in different industries. You can see 25% for official furniture, and 17% for the paint panels. 13.3% for flooring, and 17% for the customization panel. This one is the different region for our country. Yes, different part and different ports. Yeah, it's really important part is here we can record the painting consumption. Painting consumption, the quantity, right? Yes, this is most the detail here. All of the detail we can do the customization. Which one you prefer to know that we can show here? Yes. And this to record the workday and output. This is the output data. Okay, and this one is for every machine hours the situation. You can see the first one, the brush machine, single roller, double roller, 6-meter edge and oven, and the base coating material, and base coating machine, brush machine, double roller, drying machine, single roller, can be all the detail we can see here. Yeah, so it's really convenient if you are box in office, and even though you're in travel, you can update the detail on time. Yeah, and this one is the wire harness, also lamination. Yes. Okay, this way we can have a lot of the symbol here. Yeah, like the door material, cabinet material, decoration board. This is a really good symbols right here. Yes, right. And this part we also have a different type of the symbol. Yes, you move in. Yes. This one you can see is open style for the painting, right? And something else like lamination process, like this is a marble surface. Yeah. Like this different material. Carbon. Yeah, carbon board for lamination. Okay, let's go. Yes. Like this one, ceramics, right? Ceramic for the ceramic for. Yeah, it's like yeah, and kitchen material. Curtain coating process, you can see the high growth effect, MDF, and the white primers, then 3D paint, 3D digital paint, then high growth. Yes. So the production, like really customization, it depends what kind of the effect you want. We can do the professional solution for you one by one. Yes. Even though traditional product is all you want to design the new product, yeah, you can text in our Experience Center. And this is our okay. Right now I will introduce our production tree. Firstly, the production tree is separate for park. You can see my right hand. Right hand, all the production line is free paint. Free paint including the short cycle press, lamination, and the wrapping. I think just now I already recommend one by one and the detail for this production line already. And you can see the top, the name here, and below we have the separate different part for the machine in here. Like the short cycle production line, we have the dust clean system and the dust clean machine, impression machine, cooling machine, trimming machine, short cycle press machine. Okay, yeah, sure. This part 1, 2, 3 is for free paint production line, right? Short cycle press production line, lamination production line, and wrapping production line. I think just now it's already recommend all the details for the real machine already. For example, short cycle press production line, we equipping the dust cistern and the blowing ball system, machine. Cooling machine for 13 pieces, 15 pieces, yeah, and even though customization. And inspection, A-size trimming machine, dust clean machine, short cycle press machine. We have 1,800 turns, 2,400 turns, 3,200 turns. Even though right now we do the highest turn is 3,700, right? Before the vertical type one, yes. And feeding machine. Lamination, we got dust clean, double side, and this one. And the longest size, dust, right? Yeah, vertical, okay, vertical dust clean. Cooling machine for double roller, trimble roller. And the shipping composing machine. Flipping machine lamination, roll-to-roll lamination, and the protective film machine. Yes. And wrapping, we got the lamination and wrapping function machine, and the light wrapping and the big panel wrapping. This part, another part is the paint product. Paint product including the roller coater, curtain, inlet, excimer, and spray. Yes. The roller coater is also included the automatic loading and unloading gum tree. This one, transfer machine, conveyor, dust cream, brush dust, coating, black coat, paints, UV clean, and protection film machine, right? Okay, this part, the curtain. Curtain actually is the main function for the high growth surface. Yeah, high growth effects. Yeah, I think just 18% is only one function. Yes. And it's important for the curtain machine, we need to have a dust free. This is a really important part to let our client know. Excimer just now, I think already introduced. Just now we have the baby touchscreen and super matte color, and also can anti-yellow changing color. Yeah, even though you are in outside and with the strong sunshine, can keep the color for a long time, maybe 5 years, 10 years. But normally, maybe 1 year will be change the color. It's a really important product for the customer. Yes. And spring night, vertical drying oven. And we have different type of the spring, dry type, wet type, and free conveyor type for the spraying machine, and indicating spraying machine. Yes. We also have the CNC intelligent spraying machine, just now I'm show you in the upstairs, right? Okay. Okay, I think similar, this is all situation for the company. Yes. Okay. I think right now we can finish the live channel. Okay, in the finally, I think you guys say firstly, you can see, you can say, for example, do you have any question for me? Like which production line you're interested in, any confused, and you also can let me know where are you from, and what's your product, what is your problems, and want to solve right now. Secondly, you can follow me and subscribe to my channel. And all my information is already in my mail page. You can send me emails and WhatsApp any ways. Yes. Okay. Last, you can say goodbye to your client. Okay. 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 I will say goodbye to you guys, and we'll be see you next day for. Okay. Don't forget to follow my. Okay. Bye.